Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to discuss about my advanced option strategy and how it works. And we are planning our positional option strategy. So based on straddle, strangle, and ladder kind of strategy, which we are using on our courses. So now we have a new tool to explain our strategies very easiest way, and also how we are planning and finding out the stocks based on the calculations. So not we are going to use any charts and indicator to find out, but right now this new tool will help us to explain the historical data. So normally you don't get option data on historical basis, but our strategy is mainly for an options. But there is a new rules and regulations, we can't use the data, so that's why we are making no videos in the last few months, no more videos. And hereafter you will be getting regular videos and regarding the scanners and screeners also, which we can find out with this tool. And this can be help you for your trading strategies also. Most it is about icharts.in, so premium version available, so you can go to whenever you require, you can use it. So based on that, how we are planning a strategy, because the positional strategy, many people were asking what you are doing on the positional strategy. So the simple, we are finding out a stock for a trade for a monthly basis. For an example, this is a stock which I have selected on December contract. So Adani Enterprise 2500. This is not an individual strike price, it's a combination. It is a straddle chart. Okay, so here it is a straddle chart. Straddle means it is a combined of call plus put premium. So this is what a strategy like a straddle, buying a long straddle or a short straddle. So mostly short straddle works, sometimes long straddle works. So how we are going to find out that long straddle will work for the stock or short straddle will work for the stock? So that is what the thing which you are learn on our strategy course. But this is what a kind of and how this works, okay, that we are planning. So here we are looking at this is an Adani Enterprise. I will show you why I taken this Adani Enterprise straddle chart, and it was showing you almost the premium of 250 to 60. So exactly the total premium in the beginning of the month. So around 9:15 on 2nd December. 2nd December is the beginning of the month. 2024 is almost approximately 251. So almost 250 rupees premium at this point. So you can look at this 250 rupees premium is keep on going down, and finally it closed by 102. So if I selected the stocks, so almost from 250 it came to 102, so almost 150 rupees. It is a time decay which is happening on the stock, on the particular straddle. So why I am selecting the straddle? So the straddle is which we are selecting based on the logic which we have already using on our strategy. This particular straddle which loses its value, and the premium is eroding in this particular straddle. But if you are looking at the straddle, here it never goes higher from the beginning. So if you are looking at around 250 rupees, after that the straddle is keep on moving lower, it never gone where it is initially started. That means the stock doesn't provide you higher movement. So why the premium is keep on melting, and finally one point of the stage it was down by almost 150 rupees and closed by 102. So how I am selecting the stocks, we are expecting some momentum in the stock. So this is a December which we are filtering out the stocks for high volatile conditions. And why we are selecting volatile stock? Because if you are selecting the volatile stock, then only there is a huge movement can be seen on the particular stock. Okay, if there is a huge movement, there is a big movement in the option premium too, because option premium maximum is going down to zero if it is decay, and if it is reduced is all premium. But if it is moves and the stock rallied, so the option premium can from it increase by 100, 200 or even 300 percentage also. That is why volatile stocks we have to find out. So how do we find the volatile stocks? That is very different concepts which you are going to learn on our session. So the first stock on December, so we have some top 10 volatile stocks which you have selected. the Adani Enterprise based on the 2500 near about strike price. That 2500 strike price doesn't give you the volatility. That stock doesn't give you the volatile, and that premium is keep on moving lower. And one more simple concept also, if you are breakout of which you can, if you are able to watch this chart, there is a breakout 148 to 163. So one more breakout is here. It is happening from 120 to 171. So that you can use it, maybe some other indicators also use, but we are not using any indicator and charts also based on the calculations we are doing. And on the December particular contract, it doesn't move. Okay, but the one more stock which you have seen, the next one, which is 330 on IGL. Okay, it is about a past performance. We are not providing you any tips and tricks. We are simply using how that strategy works. If you want to learn our strategy, you can just ping me on the WhatsApp number which shown here. It is about the course which you are going to learn for positional options. So that we are testing here. So this is what a one more stock, the IGL. So where the December it has almost started by somewhere around 9:15 on 2nd December is something around 25 rupees. So if you are looking at the December, the price of that particular option, the high of this is around 26 rupees. But here in this case, that particular strike price, that is a straddle premium of IGL 330. So that is a straddle call and put premium combined on. So almost it is started by 25 rupees around, and it is closed somewhere around the 3rd of December is somewhere around 32. So in comparatively Adani Enterprise chart of 2500, it was keep on moving down, but in this chart it's initially it's showing you some positive move. So as per the strategy, if you are planning for a non-directional basis, from 26 it is closed by 71 on December. So almost to 200% the straddle premium increases. We don't know whether a call option increases or put option increases. One option will increase and the opposite option will going to decrease. In this case, we are finding out the volatility. So the volatile which is happening here in this particular stock, that particular straddle premium. So either it may be a call or either it may be a put. We don't know which one is most, but we are combinedly betting on both the things. So maybe we are expecting the movement on the stock. So why we are buying both? In this case, it went higher. So this is what a straddle. One stock, the straddle premium, we are expecting there is a two stocks like high volatile, but one doesn't give you good movement. So another one is gives a good movement. So the logic is how we are going to find out the straddle. So that is the content and concept which you are going to learn on our system. And let me check which option which increases in this particular one. So mostly previous data we can't able to get it. So in this particular website, if you are a backtesting purpose or any other study, so a lot of things is there with this particular tool. Okay, so I'll be just going to explain one by one in next videos. It's not about to providing you tips or tricks. We are just simply using the world data. So try to make the strategy. Okay, already we have a strategy, and this is what straddle on 26th December, call of 330, and it does, yeah, it is about a 15 minutes over. It is showing, I think on December the call premium which increases. The call premium when it is started on 29th November or the 2nd December, beginning around 14 rupees, from 14 it went to maximum 1.74. So after the deep in the money, it was initially it was looking good. After at this moment it wasn't deep in the money, so why it doesn't give you the good liquidity. So but if even if that stock doesn't have a good liquidity, but we can able to sell that particular strike price by its intrinsic value. So if you are placing an order at your intrinsic value, so in the same time, so let me check the put option, what would happen. So initially we don't know which is going to be give you the better result. So in this case from December 2nd, so this one is a big drop, and initially from 9 rupees and finally it closes by 0. So this is what a logic. So we don't know which option is going to increase, either a bullish or a bearish side. But we are combinedly finding out the straddle. So how we are going to find out the straddle? That is a very important question that you get the answer for this question on our sessions. Okay, so second third one is M&M almost 3000 near about, that is what that particular month closing price on November 28 or 29 or the last session of November. Okay, to the 3000, let me check. That was an M&M 3000. If you are going to look for this month, Manapuram, lot of stocks which is giving you as per our, even we have some Google Sheet option scanners also, but right now we are not providing you that Google Sheet option scanner. So you can also use our charting scanners to plan our strategy. This is what a 20 March historical December. Okay, 26 December 3000. 3000 exactly, 2000 to 94. Let me third stock which we have selected for the high volatility expected. So let me check 26 based on the concept. So when it is December 10th December, 5th December, 25th November, 28th November, and 3rd December, 2nd December. Yeah. This is what a 2nd December where exactly the price which is trading around 186. So even we are expecting this particular stock having ability to give you the bigger movement, but unfortunately this is also keep on moving down. So it may be suitable for a short straddle, but not for a in stocks even. So the premium is keep on melting down, there is no big movement, so we are expecting the stocks having ability to move, but in this month it doesn't move. So because there is no 100% of things which we can derive, but after finding the stocks we can easily find out which stocks having good ability to move, either ability that means combined premium of ATM straddle, which side it goes, we can make easily finding out that. So here it is also, you keep on reducing, and you look at this particular strike price. In the beginning it started almost 185. So after that the 185, the stock doesn't move. Doesn't move means it was a less fluctuation, or it doesn't cross the range, or it was very flat. So okay, finally the total premium 184, it is 21. So almost 160 rupees premium decay which is happening. So because option is mainly for the premium decay only. Okay, so we if you are option buyer, we do find out the volatility in a particular stock, and then you can use a volatile strategy. I'm just discussing about the long straddle here. With our course, you will be finding out a ladder, spread, something kind of strategies also, along with the stock selection, how we are going to select. So based on the strategy in a month, how we are going to select some 3 to 5 stocks for a monthly basis, not for intraday. It's a purely a strategical basis concept, and this is what some stocks, but I'm not want to take much more time, so you can check for these stocks, and maybe this is on December only, not for the current data. So we are using the back data for back testing our strategy from the stocks which you have selected, and how we are filtering out the stocks, and based on the concept, and even we can filter out some of their basis also. So Adani Port, Adani Enterprise, also the IGL, and liquidity is a very important case where if you are selecting a stock options, that is also you have to understand from this kind of strategy. I think this website may be useful to you all. So anyone who want, then the chart is iCharts.in. Okay, so there is no referral other things. If you want, you can use it, and lot of things is there. So based on that, we have some created some strategies also, and strategy we can create a lot of strategies here, but based on our advanced option strategy content course. So we are using here this tool as another tool which can help you. So something like, thank you so much, thanks for watching, and if you really interested to learn more about an advanced option strategy course, just ping me a WhatsApp number which shown here in this video. Thank you so much.